Hi friends! Welcome back to Miss Nadine Circle Time at Kiddie Academy of Pasadena. Music time! For this, friends, we are going to be using 2 drums and 1 drumstick. If you would like to use something from your household, you can ask your mommy and daddy what you can use around the house, like pots, pans, or bottles. Now for this, I want you to repeat the sounds that I'm making. So let's start with the first one. Can you make that sound? I made 2. 1, 2, 2 sounds. Again, 1, 2. You try it. 1, 2. All right, let's move on. Let's do another one. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Can you do that? 1, 2, 1. Very good. I can see you need a little bit more difficulty. So here it goes. Use your ears and let's listen to the sounds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right, a little bit harder. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, then 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. Very good. All right, if you would like to keep continuing this, you can use any sounds you would like, how many times you want. Just remember to try to repeat. Here we go. I'm going to be playing a rhythm, and then I want you to try to play the rhythm. So here's the first one. 1, 2. Can you do that? 1, 2. Very good. Let's make it a little bit more difficult. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. A little more difficult? Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Can you do that? One more, friends. Let's switch it up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You can make any kind of rhythms that you want, and you can hit it as many times as you want. If you want to make a pattern, you can go back and forth with it like this. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. That could be a pattern. This could also be a pattern. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. A pattern is just something you repeat over and over. Okay, friends, this time I want you to learn some concepts. The first concept is going to be tall, taller, and tallest. I'm going to be using popsicle sticks to demonstrate. So I'll put 1, and we'll call that tall. If I put 2, that's taller. Tall, taller. And then if I put 3, that's definitely the tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Very good. Now we'll go over another concept. Big, bigger, and biggest. For that, I'm going to be making triangles. This triangle is big. This triangle is bigger. And now time for the biggest. We'll do it over here. Big, bigger, biggest. So let's start up here. We'll call that long. Then if we add 2, it's definitely longer. But if there's 3, and we're comparing these 3, this would be called the longest. Long, longer, longest. Oh man, I'm sure hungry. We have some food here. Let's see how much I can eat. 1 chicken on my plate. 1 piece of bread. And 1 egg. How many food items do I have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. You know, I'm not feeling like I want the egg anymore. Let's put that back. Now, I've subtracted 1 egg. How many food items do I have now? 1, 2. Okay, I want to go over some initial sounds with you. When we are looking at the initial sounds of a word, we are looking for the first sound that we hear, like in the word bear. Let's spell it first. B, E, A, R. Bear. What is the first sound you hear in bear? B, b, bear. That's right, you hear the B. So let's think of some other words that start with B, like bike. We would use the same initial sound B, bike. B-I-K-E. That spells bike. Bike. Do you hear the B? B. Can you come up with a word that starts with the initial sound B? That's it for circle time. But before we go, we're going to sing one more song. It's called Oh Mr. Sun. Here we go. Oh Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so they can play with you. Oh Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Thank you, friends. See you next time.